It's your boy Gray, man. You know how many people told me I couldn't do this, or I shouldn't do it, I should say? Well, I can't do that. I've always been a risk taker, and I'm always going to be a risk taker. Plain and simple. I can't do things by society's standards. You know what I mean? I can't live up to other people's expectations if I can't even live up to my own. Plain and simple, that's the truth. God's watching out for me. He's watching over you too. But He knows where our heart's at. So by me saying that, He knows where my heart's at. So I'll let you guys know what it is. So right now I'm just feeling like I am heaven sent, a prophet from God Himself, reinvented to represent for the people who struggled in life from the same elements. 209 peers, never let them say we're not relevant. I've been here for years and I'm still in my development, cause I've been knuckleheaded at times, no one can tell me shit. And truth be told, I've always been somewhat intelligent, cause mistakes will come back to haunt you, they want you to dwell in it. But you get to a point and then you're like, the hell with it. I'm on my new breath of fresh air and I'm inhaling it. I've come too far to not ride it out, I'm parasailing it. The only's dead, I'm at my coffin, stomping the final nail in it. A gift was given, it's time for me to inherit it, cause this here is my year without any embarrassment or carelessness, while making people aware of this, unashamed and committed to this game like same marriages. That's the truth, man. That's all I know how to say now, man. That's all I know how to speak is the truth. You know what I mean? I've lied. Got caught up in them too, you know what I mean? Can't do that shit, man. Be honest with people, be honest with yourself. Here we go. I'm coming straight out the gate, and not by mistake. I know they hate to see the underdog winning the race. They said I wouldn't place. I looked them in their face, and I knew that I had it. So I chewed up the rabbit, and no, I didn't plan it, but I threw them off course, cause they were once at the top, now they're losing support. I'm using metaphors, but will never let a door keep me from touching the sky. Like an eagle, I better soar and know that I must grind. Homie, it's crunch time, I'm hungry as fuck, and my stomach's telling me lunchtime. I'm leading by example like Eve when she bit the apple. I captured the flag in this war before they win this battle. Must I remind you that the task ahead is never as great as the power behind you? Well, people, you really should listen to weary intuitions, and you'll need to ask a soul for any permission. That's it, man. Don't ask anybody for permission, man. Ask yourself for permission. Ask God for permission, you know what I mean? Jesus Christ Himself. Pray. If you don't want to, man, well, go ahead and figure shit out the hard way. I did. You know what I mean? I did. I learned a lot of shit the hard way, man. Knuckleheaded. I can't even lie to you about that shit. I'm a motherfucker. I've been a knucklehead. You know what I mean? And I know what it takes to come out of that shit. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. But you have to be willing to open your eyes, you know, and observe people's actions, people's responses. There's haters out there, man. There's people out there trying to hold you back. And it could be your best friend, you know, supposedly your best friend. You know what I mean? But shit, I'm gonna give it to you guys motherfucking 100%. Plain and simple. I ain't making shit up, man. I tell stories, but I don't make stories up, you know what I mean? That's the truth behind that shit.